Hello everyone, welcome back channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you T-Life app crashing how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if your T-Life app is crashing, what you need to do is, all you gotta do is turn off your VPN before opening the T-Life app. It will work. It is infuriating, but the solution, as it is said in the T-Life Reddit page, you need to turn off your VPN. Or the next solution is you can simply go to your app store if you are using your iOS, or your Play Store if you are using your Android, and then simply check for the updated version. Sometimes the updated version also might be the solution, and if that still doesn't work, then head over to your settings and then simply go to the iPhone storage or simply your app listing, and then simply tap on the app and clear the data. And once you do that, head back and then the problem should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.